as a lawyer, titingnan mo, and as a judge, titingnan mo, hindi lang yung kung ano yung sasabihin nung testigo. Titingnan mo yung character and demeanor ng tao. Paano niya sinabi? Ano yung sinabi niya? At titingnan mo rin in and out of court. Katulad nito, sinabi niya ito out of court at saka kumbaga wala mang pumilit or makikita mo yung character niya. And I think ito na lang masabi ko, no? I mean, sa trial, ang pinaka madaling i-break na testigo yung arrogante at mayabang na testigo. Bakit ka mo? Christian, kung arrogante yan at mayabang, ang feeling niya, tama ang sinasabi niya, at ang dami niyang sinasabi, yung pala, sa dami ng sinasabi niya, nagkakamali na siya. So, she has to be careful on that. If she's not respectful and she continues to be arrogant, I think akala niya she knows what it is and how it is. I know she has no court experience. The Vice President has no court or very little court experience, if any. So I think, it would be to her disadvantage to continue her demeanor and character that way. Because nga, the more you talk, the more arrogant she will become, the more mistakes she will commit, especially during cross-examination.
Ayun ay kung ihaharap siya o siya mismo haharap. Although syempre kung mayabang ka, haharap ka, di ba? Ganun yan.
Well, I think yun na nga. If you're arrogant enough and you feel na wala kang takot, sabi nga niya, she wants a bloodbath. How can you have a bloodbath tapos ikaw pala yung aatras? Di ba? So parang hindi consistent yon. And I think, well, if I were in the prosecution, my best advice is, kung ayaw siyang tawagin kung hindi siya tatawagin ng defense, as a prosecution, I can call her as a parang counter witness o yung tawag dito yung parang adverse witness. Pwede ko naman siyang tawagin.
Okay. Yan ito pala tanong ko, no? Kasi alam natin part of this political, part of it legal or judicial. Hindi naman strictly speaking na kailangan mag-apply to the letter yung rules of court sa Senado, hindi po ba?
Yes, the rules of court are suppletory. Ibig sabihin,
suppletory lang. Okay.
It is additional. The Senate can adopt. Actually, itong part na ito until July, itong pag-start nila at pagsumpa nila, ang isa sa mga gagawin dyan yung pag-adopt ng rules ng impeachment. So yan gagawin nila yan. At sabi ko nga, kung ano man yung kulang dyan o kung ano man yung hindi malinaw dyan, rules of courts are suppletory. They can use it, and kahit naman nandyan yan, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? At the end of the day, pwede na lang pagbotohan yan to adopt it, to use it, to agree to it or not. Nasa sa kanila po yan.
Paano kung pwede ba mag-abogado ang senator judge doon sa nililitis?
Alam mo, sa trial, may mga judge din, akala mo umaabogado dun sa akusado o kaya dun sa complainant. Makikita naman yan. At pag nakikita yan, obviously, sabi ko nga, pwede mong kontrahin yung judge or pwede mong kontrahin yung senator judge. In the regular courts, you can ask for a inhibition, whether voluntary or involuntary. So tingin ko kung may nakikita tayong mga kumikiling dyan o yung mga tanong niya talagang kumikiling on one side or the other o yung mga body language and everything, makikita yung bias, I think pwedeng makita o humingi ng inhibition. And sa tingin ko, pag humingi ng inhibition, yung 24, bababa yung numero. Meron din chismis na isa, dalawa, or baka ilan dyan sa senator judges, baka lumipad papunta ng Netherlands, ng The Hague. So kung mangyari man yon, baka bumaba din yung number ng 2/3, no? Kasi hindi na siya based on 24, it might be another number.
Okay. Yun nga pala, linawin natin kasi yung mga nalilito ron. No? Yung 2/3 na yun, nakabase doon sa available senators, hindi doon sa seats mentioned in the Constitution.
Yes, kasi how can you, kung kunyari, di ba, eto, nag-reshuffle si Presidente, nag-resign, di ba, may mga nag-resign. Kung pumili siya ng isa o dalawang senador dyan na gawin niyang secretary, di kung 24, di 22 na lang sila. So bababa ang number. Kung yung iba dyan na tawag dito, pupunta ng The Hague, di another 1 or 2. So pababa yung 2/3 na yun, depende dun sa total number who are senator judges at that time.
Yun ay kung isuko, no? Okay.
Suko. Well, that's another thing. So, well, sabi ko nga, tingnan natin. But, choice naman din yan ng administration kung isuko sila or not. But at the end of the day, whether they are here, so sabi ko nga, the number will depend on who are the senator judges sitting in the Senate. Not necessarily present, but who are sitting and who are there in the impeachment trial.
Clarify din natin doon sa mga viewers natin dahil baka merong, kunwari lang, hindi ko alam. Kunwari, baka merong isang senator judge na mag-play safe, hindi nila ako boboto. Pag nag-abstain po kasi, pabor po yun sa nililitis.
Because yung number kailangan nilang makuha Kunyari, 2/3 of that number. Kung
Yeah.
mag-abstain siya, di hindi mo makukuha yung number. Para ka ring nag-no. Kasi you're reaching that number. Whatever number that is. 2/3 of 24 or 2/3 of 20, whatever it is, kailangan ma-reach mo yung number na yun.
Oo, kaya yung mga maganda i-demand din natin sa mga senator judges na tumindig kayo. At tumindig sa katotohanan. Hindi pwedeng
nanonood tayo at nakita na natin na kahit sa tingin nila lamang sila, umiikot ang mundo. Nangyari na yan in a number of impeachment in the impeachment trial before, but let's see what will happen nitong susunod na impeachment natin. Sabi ko nga, nagre-ready sila. So, gusto naman ni Vice President Sara ng trial at I think wala na yung issue whether he will resign or not. So, tingin ko tuloy na ito.
Yun din ang iniisip ko, Attorney Howard, no? Kung gusto pala niya ng trial, bakit sila dumulog sa Supreme Court? Para ipahinto yung trial.
Yun na ngang kinagugulo rin ng isip ko, pero ang tingin ko dyan is, I mean, she brings out a strong front or would like to show a strong front. But again, we cannot deny her or we cannot fault her from using or parang getting whatever legal remedy is available for her, which is also not only her defense, but also using any other technicalities to promote or to stop the impeachment.
Pero weird pa rin kasi kung ikaw yung principal, ikaw yung lilitisin at gusto mong magka-trial, bakit pumayag ka na yung mga abogado dumulig sa Supreme Court, 'di ba? Something doesn't add up.
Sad to say, 'di ba, Christian? Yung mga pronouncements naman niya talaga weird So coming from a weird pronouncement, I don't negate having weird processes, no? So as I said, it's a remedy available. Let her. I cannot fault her for doing that or her legal team for exhausting the legal remedies. But I think it would be best for her to, clear herself up. But sa akin, ang telling dito is that unlike when she was a secretary or when she was invited in the Senate, pwede niyang sabihin na USEC will answer this or pwedeng may tagubulong siya sa likod. Once she is a witness, hindi na pwedeng USEC may answer this because siya na ang sasagot doon. And I think during cross-examination, especially if matuloy na nga na maging prosecution panel si Congressman Laila at Congressman Chel, if they would have the opportunity to be the one leading the cross against the Vice President, and I think she would have a tough time wiggling herself out because hindi siya pwedeng hindi sumagot dahil kitang-kita na yung kanyang body language and yung kanyang mga actuations there.
Yung paano kung gamitin yung demeanor niya doon sa House. Una ng budget hearing, pangalawa ng House Committee on Good Government. Yung namimiloso po, kulang na rin itaob yung mesa. Uubra po ba yung ganyang demeanor? O ganyang asal sa impeachment court?
Sabi ko nga, then she would be the worst witness for herself because it's not only what you say in court, but also your character, demeanor, and how you answer, how you conduct yourself. The worst part is, sabi ko nga, if you are that arrogant or feeling entitled, you are, instead of answering the issue, you are just, kumbaga, doing a theatrics which would not help you. Which would not, if I were to brief her, sabihin ko, it would not help her as a witness because it does not bring anything to the table. Because walang substance yung sinasabi niya. And she is not only being judged by 24 judges, senator judges, she will also be judged by 110 million Filipinos.